AMP's bold move, AIinWaste and the future of sorting. 2024 was a year of transformation for AMP Robotics, so much that they even dropped robotics from their name. But don't be mistaken, the AI-powered sorting technology is still very much at work. A major change came from the appointment of Tim Stuart as CEO, formerly the COO of Republic Services. Stuart brings decades of waste management experience to AMP. Despite the leadership shift, AMP expanded into North Carolina and Virginia and raised $91 million in funding. In Virginia, the AMP1 system is processing 150 tonnes of municipal solid waste daily, sorting recyclables and organics with over 90% uptime. The company's goal, diverting 60% of the waste from landfill and maximising resource recovery. Looking ahead, Stuart sees AMP becoming more than just a tech provider. It's shifting towards operational waste facilities in partnership with municipalities and major waste haulers. While automation in waste management has traditionally focused on trucks and hauling, AMP is pushing for smarter sorting solutions powered by AI and robotics. With decades of industrial knowledge and cutting-edge technology, AMP is positioning itself to define waste management one sorted pile at a time. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly live RoboPhil workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.